Did you know that approximately $1.2 trillion in personal wealth is lost annually due to a lack of or inadequate asset protection? This figure, though staggering, underscores the importance of protecting one's wealth effectively. Asset protection is not just for the super wealthy. It is for anyone who has assets that they want to protect, regardless of their current financial status or future goals. Before we get into the specifics of asset protection structures, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important business topics. Now, there are various structures that can be used to protect one's assets. The most common include trusts, corporations, and limited liability companies, or LLCs. Interestingly, a survey from 2022 revealed that only 13% of small business owners use LLCs as their chosen method of asset protection, even though this structure can provide significant benefits, such as separating personal assets from business liabilities. Trusts are another effective means of protecting assets. They can shield your wealth from potential creditors, litigants, or divorcing spouses. Yet, according to a 2023 report, only 34% of high net worth individuals actually utilize trusts as a core component of their asset protection strategy. Perhaps the most surprising statistic is that 55% of wealth holders don't have any form of asset protection in place. This leaves them vulnerable to numerous threats that could jeopardize their hard-earned wealth. You don't have to be part of these alarming statistics. Take steps now to safeguard your assets. A well-structured asset protection plan can provide you with peace of mind, knowing that your wealth is shielded from any unforeseen risks. Remember, protecting your assets isn't about hiding or concealing wealth. It is about implementing a strategic plan to ensure that your assets are protected so they can continue to provide for you and your loved ones in the future. If you need more information about asset protection structures that could benefit you, please visit legalregistration.com, or you are welcome to call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what is your opinion on asset protection structures? Is there a specific structure that you believe works best? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.